Hi, my name is Francis. I am a nutritionist with Driscoll Health Plan, and as a friend of the family, we care about your nutrition and overall health. According to research, breakfast is the most important meal of the day, helping you to be more productive and healthy. Our recipe for today is the breakfast quinoa bowl. It is packed with fiber and protein. You're going to start by heating a large non-stick skillet over medium. Add turkey bacon and cook it for 3 minutes or until fully cooked, while stirring occasionally. Once the turkey bacon is cooked, add the kale and cook it for about 2 minutes or until it wilts. And while it's cooking, stir in tomatoes, vinegar, and salt. So once the kale mixture is ready, we're gonna go ahead and set it aside and carefully wipe the pan dry. Go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil and make sure that the pan is well coated. Crack eggs one at a time into pan and cook them for about 2 minutes. Cover and cook for about 1 minute or until whites are ready. Grab 2 bowls full of quinoa. Go ahead and set the egg on top of the quinoa and top evenly with kale mixture and arrange the avocado slices next to the kale. So once you have the bowl ready, sprinkle evenly with pepper, parsley. If desired, you may go ahead and add the hot sauce. And there you have it, breakfast quinoa bowl. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to tune in. Please follow us on social media as we will continue to provide more nutritional videos for you and your family to enjoy. And don't forget, nutrition is always in style.